This is BAIT, Life Outside the Federal Witness Protection.
Hey, it's Susan. Welcome to tonight's episode of the Save Adrian Project. Oh my God, the ongoing saga. I was watching some crime TV, and one thing that watching crime TV shows is it gets me to sort of think like how somebody would be investigating something. I questioned this one instance back when it happened back in 2004, 2005. But you know what? It's like, dude, I had fired my attorney, Joan Gallegos, because she was being a fucking bitch and, working to not believing me that I reported him to the FBI, not believing about this, damn fucking scam on this paternity test that he didn't provide ID for. And, and her husband's the DA, and all these damn attorneys, they all stick together in a bunch of shit. So anyway, this is actually written in a short story. You can download it on Scribd for free, or you can get it on Amazon Kindle for about right under $4. But BAIT, Life Outside the Federal Witness Protection Program, it's a real Clark County, Nevada district case. And what happened is an attorney named Terry McMillan that knows Harry Reid said, just write everything down. He told me to go into all kinds of detail, all the shit that's happened to me over the, over the years up to that point. That would have been thousands of pages. And I really thought that any judge in the United States would help me. I mean, shit, dude, all the heck that courts have done in the United States has caused me a hell of a lot of fucking grief. So this was actually responding to an already established judgment that Citibank got against me in the midst of all kinds of crimes. But in that is a big clue, huge clue. Okay, so there was a judge in Humboldt County, California, in the family court. The case in Humboldt County is F as in Frank, LO 40368. I know that number like the back of my hand because I had to write it so many times. But so anyway, there was a mysterious judge showed up one day for our court hearings. And I can't even remember his name, but the point of it was somebody said he was retired and that he got pulled out of retirement. You know what? I never found his name on a roster anywhere. I never found him anywhere as being a judge that has retired in the state of California. I never saw him on any kind of roster on anything. He was a mysterious judge that just sort of appeared out of nowhere. Now, you know what? It's like, oh God. One time he shows up and he just says, do you want to end it here or, and I'm like, no, I want to continue in Nevada, and jurisdiction was transferred in Nevada. And then later, key point, because this is in this story, shows up threatening me with a judgment I would not like if I didn't agree with the father in a court-ordered mediation, a second court-ordered mediation, because I didn't agree with him the first time. Big clue. Threatened me with a judgment I would not like. Like I said, this mysterious judge. You know what? Everything is terrorism related, and I have a feeling this is a fucking FISA judge. I have a feeling that judge came out of fucking goddamn nowhere and started giving orders based on a whole FBI task force scam out of Las Vegas. I bet you it's a FISA fucking judge is one of the big reasons I don't have my son. Now, did a FISA judge order the major assault of my son? Did a FISA judge order the disappearance of my family, which would be all the witnesses? Is a FISA judge, a fucking FISA judge, is a fucking FISA judge the one that's fucking impacting me right now on everything? You know what I think about that fucking FISA court? You know what I think about FISA judges? You know what I think about that mysterious judge in California that I swear to God is a FISA judge? Harry Reid can take his FBI investigation and shove it. Anyway, big clue. Mysterious judge shows up in Humboldt County, California for my son's family law case custody case, and child support case. We didn't show up for the child support case. They hacked a magistrate judge, one of those fake judges, into that. I swear it was a fucking FISA judge. I'm gonna find out though. And when I find out where the hell this judge comes from, his head's gonna be sitting on a platter in a higher court of the world. It's tonight's episode of the Save Adrian Project. The fucking FISA court. Stealing kids. I'll see you next time.